Okay, here we got part 2. You go to the next screen. It's just your sound adjustments. You will notice most of these sound adjustments are grayed out, and that depends on what setting, if it's automatic or manual, or what settings your camera is on, but most of these are grayed out. Very limited sound options. And that's it for your sounds. Screen number 4, HDMI max resolution, HDMI scan mode, output status, LCD brightness, LCD backlight, and viewfinder backlight. Option number 2, LCD mirror image, output on-screen display, on-screen markers, and distance units. And the final is your tools. You've got 4 menus inside of there: language, time zone, date and time, power LED, access LED, auto power off. Hit the second one, remote terminal, and then assignable buttons. Number 3, on-screen assignable button, custom dual button, battery info, and backup menu settings. And the final one, hit the wrong thing there. It's very small. Hit the wrong thing. Is certification information. And then below there is reset all. And the way I get these features, the way I've been doing this, I just toggle this button right here. There's a little toggle up and down, sideways. Again, we go sideways. So that's just lets you know how I do that. And if you hit the menu button, again, you just get the regular recording menu. On the top, you can turn to media, slick it back to media, and that's going to show you different videos that you've recorded. I've got some here, they're fairly dark. But anyway, that's what that's all about. I hope this helps you along. Again, you can click the link down below for Amazon information on this camera and order information. Thanks, God bless.